How to unlock the achievements in Hamster Kombat. Hello guys, this is Trading for Beginners and in this video I am going to show you how can you unlock different achievements for Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know how to unlock the achievements, you just simply have to open your Telegram application and just simply open the Hamster Kombat, and after coming into this Hamster Kombat application, you will get to see this buy skins option. Tap into buy skins and you will get to see achievements. Now just simply tap to see all and you will get to see all of the achievements into this page. Now you will have to do certain tasks in order to unlock the achievements. I have this achievements unlocked for 10 cards, which means I have upgraded my 10 cards. That's why I got this achievements. If I upgrade 25 cards, I'll get this second card achievement. Now let me show you by doing it manually. I'll get this card achievement which says upgrade cards to level 15 for one card. To do this one, I'll go to Mine section and select any of the card which I want to upgrade. Now I'll upgrade this Hamster Tube card to 15 level. It is currently into 11th, 12th, 12th and 13th, now 14th and at last 15th. And as you can see here, I've got an envelope. And after opening it, I have got a new achievements that I was searching for. This way you can also unlock a new achievement into your Hamster Kombat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.